Number 3, another silent killer for CVs is weak proofreading. Weak proofreading. You can't imagine how many CVs I've seen with small but painful mistakes. For example, patent instead of patient, right? Just the omission of an I kills that sentence. Another one, can you imagine? Pubic hair instead of public health. It's wild. You may be laughing now, but actually seen that on many CVs. And once it is submitted, you can't click the undone button. So please, before you send your CV, I need you to do something. Pick it up, read it out loud, read it out slowly, read it word by word, or better yet, I will suggest that get someone else to review it, because fresh eyes can always catch what you will miss, because you've written this and your body is used to it, your eye is used to it, your brain is used to it. And so I will suggest, if it's possible, get fresh eyes to look at your CV as well, because your goal is 0 typing errors, not even one. You don't want even one typing error to appear in your CV. The 4th point, which is a silent killer of your CV, is poor organization. Poor organization. Your CV should flow like a story. It should be clear, it should be chronological, and it should be easy to follow. Start with your header, then your profile, then the education, then the clinical experience, and then the licenses and the exams. Then you come to the non-clinical work. And finally, other sections like research or teaching. If your sections jump around randomly, the reader will get lost in the whole maze. And when reviewers get lost, they stop caring about you. Now, the 5th silent killer of CVs and resumes is unprofessional file names. If the file name has been stored in an unprofessional way, that can kill your CV. You'll be surprised how many CVs arrive with the name CV latest version 7.docx, or someone can also write Canada resume final part PDF. I'm sure you've seen this. If you've seen this, just drop a comment in the comment section. Maybe you go to your computer right now and you'll even see that is how you've saved some of your CVs in the past. When it's like that, it looks messy, and before the people even open it, they are already, right? So this is how you should actually name your file. Your file name should be clean and professional. It should come out something like this: first name dash last name dash and CV.pdf. That is very simple. That is very consistent. That is very confident. And that is it. You don't have to worry so much about it. It should be your first name dash last name dash and then CV.pdf. These 5 things, if you're able to deal with these 5 things, I can say to all of you that your CV is already stronger than that of 90% of applicants. And at MedCognito, we help many doctors to polish their practice-ready assessment CV and their residency CV to perfection, not just with, putting in so much content, but the structure, the formatting, and the way you present it to whoever is listening will let you come across as a very professional doctor. So before you upload your next file, let our team review it for you. Because sometimes it's not the big things that could cost you your dream. It can be the small things that no one talks about.